Hi there, welcome back to another video. Shepherd's purse, or Capsella bursa-pastoris, is a flowering plant in the mustard family. Growing all over the world, it's one of the most common wildflowers on Earth. Its name comes from its small triangular fruits that resemble a purse, but it's also known as the following: blindweed, cocoawort, lady's purse, mother's heart, shepherd's heart, St. James weed and witch's pouch. Shepherd's purse is most known for its ability to slow heavy or excessive bleeding. It's frequently used alone or as part of an herbal formula to help women with heavy bleeding during their menstrual cycles. It can also be helpful for longer than normal menstrual cycles, and many women report that it helps with cramping and painful periods as well. Because heavy cycles can be caused by fibroids, endometriosis, or hormone imbalance, you'll likely want to get to the root cause of the problem, but shepherd's purse can be very useful as a uterine tonic in the meantime. For heavy menstrual bleeding, shepherd's purse is typically used as a tea or tincture. I will place links in the description to where you can get this herb. This herb can also slow postpartum bleeding. Although it may be used most often in modern times for heavy menstrual cycles, shepherd's purse can help to slow or stop any type of uterine bleeding. One action of shepherd's purse listed in the British Herbal Pharmacopoeia is antihemorrhagic. It's specifically cited as being used for uterine hemorrhage that can happen postpartum and potentially cause severe problems. Shepherd's purse may help with inflammation. A few studies have documented the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of shepherd's purse. They seem to come in part from a compound known as sulforaphane found in the herb. The anti-inflammatory properties of shepherd's purse could explain why it has been used to help with painful as well as heavy menstrual cycles and other painful complaints like rheumatism. It's one of many herbs that can be used for natural pain relief. Shepherd's purse has also traditionally been used externally for wounds and bleeding. The leaves can be picked and used as is to staunch a bleeding wound. Or they can be crushed and made into a poultice to put over bruises and strains. Studies have also shown that shepherd's purse has antibacterial properties. It can be helpful in healing minor wounds and abrasions by keeping off infection. Much of the attention given to shepherd's purse focuses on bleeding. There's good reason for this, but it can also help stop the loss of other bodily fluids. It's been traditionally used for diarrhea and even fevers, specifically to prevent too much water loss. How to use shepherd's purse? Well, you can probably find shepherd's purse growing around you in the wild. It's most frequently used in the dried form. However, if you do find some, both leaves and flowers can be eaten fresh or lightly steamed. I will provide links in the description to where you can get this herb. For internal issues, the dried herb is made into a tea or a tincture. A few cups of the tea can be consumed in a day. Tincture dosing is dependent on strength of the tincture itself and severity of the problem. For external use, the leaves are used as a warm poultice or as is to stop bleeding. Precautions. Shepherd's purse is a very safe herb but is not recommended for use during pregnancy. It can, in rare cases, cause an allergic reaction like any other food or herb, so start with a small dose to see how you react. Because shepherd's purse is known to slow bleeding, there's a possibility it might interfere with blood-thinning medication. Speak with a qualified practitioner before taking it if you are using any medications. Have you tried shepherd's purse for menstrual bleeding? Please share in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.